Okay, so some of you are having problems with our Gizmo assignment that I assigned on Monday. So, what you want to do is go to classwork, just like always, and look for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is how I introduce you to the week. And go down to Monday, December 7th, assignment number 1. And this is your circuit assignment. It's the circuit Gizmo. And it says use the Google Doc and Gizmo link below to explore the circuit Gizmo. Remember, you will need to log in to the Gizmo site from the link below. You saved your username and password in Mrs. Jensen's password doc you made. So if you guys haven't done that because you're virtual or because you weren't here or because you don't have Mrs. Jensen's class, you are supposed to save your password and your username somewhere for the Gizmo labs because we were going to use them over and over again. If for some reason you don't remember what that is, email me and I will immediately get it to you as fast as I can. Let me know if you have any problems getting logged in. Okay, so face-to-face learners, this is due tonight on Wednesday, December 9th at midnight. We've been working on this in class. If you've been absent, you'll have extra days, of course. And if you're having major problems, just let me know and we will try to work something out. Virtual learners, this is due on Monday, December 14th at 8 a.m. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open your Gizmo site. You hit the login button and you put in your password and your username and password in that order. You hit login. That takes you to your class. Your class will show up here, so I'm just going to click on first hour. You'll click on your class, and then you'll see down here at the bottom that you have a circuits gizmo to do. And you just go over here and you hit launch. Once you hit launch, you'll see everything about the gizmo that we're going to use. All right, so quickly, let's just go over what the Gizmo does. This is a circuit board. This is the blue circuit board that we're going to use for the whole Gizmo. You can add wires to your Gizmo. You can add a battery. You can add out of 4 resistors. They all have different amounts. So this resists 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 100 ohms, 200 ohms. And you've learned about ohms. As you go through the Gizmo, you'll learn about ohms. I'm also going to put a vocabulary sheet on to help you guys in case you're having trouble with understanding what all the parts are. So you can add a resistor if you want. You can add a switch. You can add a light bulb. You can add extra wires. There's all kinds of things that you can do. So you can turn the switch on and off. You can add light bulbs to multiple places. You can do all kinds of things to make different types of circuits. You can play around with this if you want to for a little while you're learning if you want, or you can simply start doing the Gizmo itself. All right, we also have voltmeters over here. We have ammeters and ohmmeters. You'll learn how to use all 3 of these throughout the assignment. Okay, and we're going to go through every step of the assignment. You can also show the current. You can do it as conventional or the electron flow. You can also click on the battery and change the voltage, which you are going to have to do. It makes the lights go brighter. We can change all of these things. You can change the precision. When you start to test any of this, you'll put your tester, whatever type you're using, up here, and it'll tell you what the measurement is. Whether you use the voltmeter, the ohmmeter, or the ammeter, you'll get the correct unit and the correct precise measurement. Okay, so now let's go back to our classroom. Leave that tab open so that you can keep seeing it. And then go back to the classroom. Click on the Google Doc. It's going to create a Google Doc just for you so that you have your own copy. You're going to put your name on it. It might have my name on it already just because I wanted to let you know to make sure to do that. So fill yours in, change the date if you haven't already opened this. If you opened it the other day, this wasn't here in the first place. I didn't have my name in it. Okay, and so then this is exactly how you work through the Gizmo. It tells you exactly step by step how to do that. All right, this is the introduction to the Gizmo Google Doc and the introduction to the Gizmo itself and how to get to it. I'm going to end this video here, and then the next video that I post is going to go through the prior knowledge section. That's this section right here of our Google Doc, and help you get started on this.